I just want to show you a new vise adapter we're going to have offered on the site pretty soon here. It's specifically designed for really big tubes. We've had a few guys ask for these, especially for pike and musky flies. You can see it's got a fantastic shape to it, and the taper is not a slight taper like our tapered needles, which is great for smaller style tubes. Okay, a little bit of a taper coming up. This really large taper on this one is going to wedge any tube on for sure. And just like all our other vise adapters, they go into a regular vise, okay, into the jaws of any vise, and clamp down. Now we've had these machined for us with this huge taper that will fit, like I said, almost any size tube you can or you want to fish. Okay, and again, when it's in the jaws, just give it a little bit more of a tightening, and it's, there you go, in there pretty secure. So again, starts with a point that you can kind of dull, I guess, by just, you know, giving it a bit of a dent. Still got a nice small area here, and the taper's pretty gradual until you get to the back end here, where it's going to butt up against any tube. Now the largest tube we offer is the extra large Scandinavian tubing, and you can see this tube here. It's pretty big when you compare it to this is our large, and then this is our small style Scandinavian tubing. So three styles here. The largest one, of course, it's probably the extra large one, will fit the large tube, and then the large tube will fit the small tube, pardon me. And they just insert, and then a few wraps of line, and you've got them pretty secured. Alright, let's tie a fly. I'm going to take my extra large Scandinavian tubing. This is the speckled one. I'll cut maybe an inch or so. Okay. I like to melt the back end of the tube. Okay, just like that. And now I'm going to take about maybe 3/4 of an inch of the large Scandinavian tube, same color, kind of that speckled pearl color. I'm going to insert it in. So we've got a step tube there. Okay. At this point, I'm going to stick it onto my vise adapter, pardon me, my extra large tapered pin, and I'm just going to push back until it won't push anymore. Not going to twist, not going to smash it in, just slow, easy pressure until it's on there. I'm just going to tighten it up again. We're ready to tie. Alright, so you can see with this tapered pin now, everything's wedged right up. Nothing spins. It's secure in the jaws of my vise, and we're ready to tie. Okay, with any step tube here, I always secure it with some thread right at the joint. So I'm going to just wrap a few loose wraps until the thread's attached. And then I'm going to hold the whole thing and do a few compression wraps. And what you'll see is you can put quite a bit of pressure on the thread, and as the thread compresses around the larger tube, alright, and you can see now it's securely attached. Alright, I'll take my thread back most of the way. And the good thing about this extra large diameter sparkle tubing is it's got obviously a bigger inside diameter, so you can put a bigger hook into the back of this. We never use junction tube with the extra large stuff. We use a hook with a big eye, and it'll slide right in the back. And because you've got the bigger tube with the larger diameter, you can fit much bigger hooks. So even a 2/0, 3/0, whatever you might be using for pike or muskie or huge salmon, works a lot better. Alright.